Greetings, plant enthusiasts. Today we're venturing into the enchanting realm of the Frosty Fern, a captivating plant with a fascinating background. Originating from the rainforests of Southeast Asia, this fern variety is known for its delicate frost-like appearance. The Frosty Fern gets its name from the ethereal frost-like patterns on its leaves. This fern variety displays intricately lacy green fronds with a delicate frost-like pattern, creating a mesmerizing visual effect. Its compact size and airy appearance make it an ideal choice for adding a touch of elegance to your indoor spaces. To thrive, the Frosty Fern prefers a humid environment, indirect light, and consistently moist soil. It's well suited for indoor cultivation, and placing it in a bathroom or near a humidifier can contribute to its overall health. Regular misting and watering help maintain its lush appearance. When considering companion planting, the Frosty Fern complements other humidity-loving plants such as orchids or peace lilies, creating a lush tropical oasis with plants sharing similar care requirements, enhancing the overall charm of your indoor garden. Primarily grown for its ornamental value, the Frosty Fern contributes to indoor air quality by adding a touch of greenery. Its delicate appearance makes it an ideal choice for terrariums or as a decorative accent, infusing a sense of tranquility into your living space. Its delicate frost-like patterns and ease of care make it a cherished choice among plant enthusiasts. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into this mesmerizing world of plants. Until next time, may your indoor garden flourish, and may the Frosty Fern bring a touch of delicate elegance to your botanical journey. Farewell and happy gardening.